Just-in-time manufacturing is driven by demand from sales orders, which interact with stock items and inventory. Sales orders and quotes are also integral to the custom manufacturing workflow for products engineered to order. For all these reasons, sales orders are handled by DBA instead of your accounting system. Extensive pricing options are available to suit the needs of manufacturing companies. Each sell item can be given a base price in this screen, which is a list price or retail price, and is the basis for price level and other calculations. Price levels can be created in this screen to provide price lists for different types of customers, such as dealer, distributor, OEM, and so on. Price level prices are calculated as a percentage of base price. Some industries offer discounts from base prices or price level prices to different types of customers. Discount codes can be created in this screen, and then against each code, discount percentages are applied to item categories or specific items. Contract pricing enables you to establish an item price to a specific customer with an optional expiration date. A contract price overrides any base price, price level price, or discounted price. In DBA, you can sell and purchase in foreign currencies. Foreign currencies are activated here in the currency table and can then be assigned to specific customers and suppliers. DBA handles international VAT-style taxation, Canadian GST and provincial taxation, and USA-style taxation. Tax codes are defined on this screen. Multi-authority tax rates can be calculated on this tab if needed. Let's now take a look at the Customer screen. Here we are looking at the Detail tab. Each customer has an identification name for screens and a separate trading name for printing on forms. Billing address details are entered in this panel. If you sell to the customer in a foreign currency, the currency is specified here. Here we see the customer's payment terms, which are selected from the Customer Terms table. The tax code source is specified in this panel. By default, the customer is assigned to the system default sales tax code, unless an exception tax code is specified in this field. Down here we are looking at the Pricing subtab. If the customer is assigned to a price level or a discount code, they are specified here. Here on this tab, each customer can be assigned multiple delivery addresses. And down here, each customer can have multiple contacts and contact details. Now that we've covered pricing, taxation, and customers, let's review the sales order workflow, beginning with order entry. A new sales order can be entered from scratch or copied from another sales order. Here you select the customer, and here you enter the customer's PO number. All the information on the Header tab is populated from the customer record, including the customer notes, payment terms, tax code, sold to address, shipped to address, and pricing details. Here we see that this customer is assigned to a foreign currency, and here we see the exchange rate. Line items are entered on the Details tab. You can select a stock item or a descriptor. Descriptors are non-stock items used for credit memos, service charges, fees, and other such purposes. Extensive lookup options are provided for stock item selection. A speed entry option is also available, which enables you to rapidly select items and quantities for batch transfer into the sales order. Here in the line item, the reference price is populated by a contract price, a price level price, or the item's base price depending on this customer's pricing setup. The discount percentage is determined by the customer's discount code, if applicable. The sales tax is calculated based on the tax code, which is itemized at line item level for VAT-style reporting. The required date is established by the item's time to shipment target, which is calculated in the MRP settings screen based on the lead days, job days, and order policies of the sell item and components in its product structure. See the MRP overview video for details. Line notes are entered on this tab. Notes stored against the stock item flow through to this upper panel. Notes entered here flow through to the invoice. After sales order entry is completed, an order acknowledgement can be sent to the customer to confirm order details. You can create your own system default form layout, as well as custom layouts for assignment to specific customers. A quote is a sales order that is not yet ready to drive MRP or be available for picking. Quotes are used to prepare order details for engineer-to-order items and to furnish the customer with pricing and other details prior to order confirmation. A one-off item in BOM can be generated within a quote for an item that is engineered to order. Here we are looking at the one-off item generator. A one-off BOM can be a copy of a standard item's BOM, or it can be for an item that is engineered from scratch. After the one-off BOM is generated, it is modified or entered as needed to provide complete routing and component engineering specifications. After the one-off BOM details are finalized and the cost is rolled up, a selling price is established. A detailed quote can then be sent to the customer. You can create your own system default form layout, as well as custom layouts for assignment to specific customers. After the customer confirms the order, the convert process changes the order status from quoted to ordered, which makes it a live sales order that drives MRP. When the quote is converted to a live sales order, the line item required date is updated relative to the conversion date by the item's time to shipment target. For more details on the engineering to order workflow, see the custom manufacturing overview video. Sales orders are picked for shipment in the order picking screen. The shipment planner indicates which sales orders are ready for shipment and prioritizes orders by earliest required date. Here we are looking at the pick list, which can be used to gather stock from item locations. Here in the order picking screen, a single click of the prefill button picks all line items from primary storage locations up to available stock on hand. Sales orders are shipped and invoiced in the sales order screen. Shipments are generated from picked lines that have not yet been shipped. Here we are looking at a shipment. Shipping charges are entered down here and ultimately print in the footer of the invoice. Shipment details flow through to the packing list. You can create your own system default form layout as well as custom layouts for assignment to specific customers. Invoices are generated from shipments. Here we are looking at the printed invoice, which can be emailed to the customer. You can create your own system default form layout as well as custom layouts for assignment to specific customers. Down here in the footer, you can optionally itemize sales tax by tax authority, which is a requirement on Canadian invoices. Invoice posting updates sales, inventory, cost of goods sold, and AR transfer accounts. The GL Summary Transfer screen is used to transfer summarized account totals to your accounting system's general ledger. Invoicing is a DBA function, but customer payment processing is handled by your accounting system. The AR Voucher Transfer screen is used to transfer invoice header information and total amounts to your accounting system to enable receivables tracking and payment processing. A set of data views enables you to track open sales orders and assess sales history with the ability to create your own custom reporting layouts in a spreadsheet format. Here we are looking at the open sales orders data view. As you have seen, sales orders provide the demand that drives just-in-time manufacturing, and they interact with inventory and the engineering-to-order process workflow. Shipping and invoicing are handled in DBA, and GL account totals and invoice totals are transferred to your accounting system for financial reporting and receivables processing.